welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the global giant Microsoft Corporation. And if you're looking at this trend, the momentum is clearly indicating a disruption. And if you are looking at the current chart, it looks like a small consolidation or correction right now, but it may turn into a big correction as well. So let us discuss about the overall chart and get the knowledge of the trend. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So this is the monthly chart, and if I just click on the indicators are just turned negative. As you can see, they are stretched enough and it's just turned negative. So no doubt this company can make you or has already given you a huge amount of return, but right now it is indicating a pause that has been taken, and you need to find your, I would say, spot or bargain buy zones where you can actually re-enter into the stock to make a good amount of return. Now overall, the highs of 2000 and year 2000, and we have seen a Y2K crash, but thereafter it has been regained its level after 17 years and continuously moving higher. So I mean, do not try to compare Microsoft with other tech companies, because you will see some companies will move ahead of the curve and some companies will lag the curve. So right now, just look at the weekly chart. So let's go to the weekly chart and let's see, because it will give us a clear picture, because I don't want to draw some sort of picture which looks very negative, but there is no doubt that the situation looks very tricky. And for intermediate term, which means for the next couple of weeks to months, the stock will definitely indicating a pause. And as we have seen in the last 6 years, the stock hardly tested its 50-day moving average, and after 2016 it never even touched its 100-day moving average. So obviously the stock has already stretched, and if it comes down a bit, I don't think it will be a matter of worry or a matter of concern. So if I may draw a trend out of it, what I can get here are 2 or 3 very important levels to look at. So here we are, and here it is, right? And this is how the trend looks like. And this is very simple trend. As you can see, I would say rather a very clear trend, and it is indicating how the stock has moved since 2017, and right now, after hitting the high of $350, it is on its way to make a move in between $220 and $240. So this is where we can get our bargain buy zone and use this level. Don't simply jump into or in between a correction. The stock has just taken a pause, so don't simply jump in between a correction until and unless you understand the trend. So there will be correction going forward, and for the time being, or at least in the weekly chart, this is what we can see. So the stock of Microsoft has already been corrected by, here we are, 17%. So I think a 30-35% correction will definitely happen, where this company can find a good support. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.